Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Vidalia brand, their Chop Wizard Pro Max. Now this is one of the latest designs. This is a great product that's been around for several years, and they've done some updates to it we're going to show. This is this includes an all-new easy cleaning lift tab on the lid. We're going to show that. A catch container doubles as a measuring cup and marks from 1/2 cup to 3 cups. Includes handy lid cleaning tool and cleaning grid. Here's the tool right here. And it's all ABS, dishwasher safe, BPA free, and stainless steel blades on here. So it comes with a really nice instruction booklet which details everything. And you've got 3 blades. Let's open this up right here. This top comes off once you go at a certain angle. It just comes right off. So right here, this piece is what pushes into, you can see the cutting blades, and it'll push into all of them. There's 3 different styles. And then if this gets with any food on there, tomatoes, things like that, you just pull this off. It allows you to clean it. This green section here pulls through and wipes it down for you. You can also use the included tool to clean it. That's basically it, and that's a real good idea actually when you think about it. Now of course this has that real famous hinge on here, you could see right there, and that allows this to go on like that, right down, yet it doesn't allow it to go upwards, and that's the whole point of this product, to allow that hinge to allow you to push down on the food. Now you can see that this thing has the measuring cup on there, and it's all calibrated, 1/2 cup up to 3 cups. And that's nice when you're making salsas or something where you want to measure the amount of onions or garlic, whatever. Now here's the largest grate on there to do larger things, like you can do some short French fries on here. We're going to demonstrate. You can chop your onions. We're going to show how to do that. Now the way this is set up, you can see that it kind of locks in place. There are pins, indents right there on both sides that allow this to lock in place. And all of them have that same pattern on there that locks it into those right there. Now I want to point out that this is extremely high quality and thick polycarbonate on here. If you look at that, that's really thick. That's what gives it the strength. And on the bottom of this, really nice, they have 3 built-in silicone tabs. This is all BPA safe plastic, and that silicone will keep this thing on your working surface. And I mean, it just doesn't move. I'm moving my whole camera trying to move it. That's just great. So we're going to be demonstrating this thing on different things. There is a blade right here that says soft, and eggs, mushrooms, olives, strawberries, kiwis, peaches, and nectarines. You don't want to run something like an onion through there. You might get away with an apple, but the apple would work better using this one or this one right there. So just use a little common sense with that. You don't want to put something really hard through there. Some things you want to cut in half, like potatoes, so that they end up being that length right there. And we're going to demonstrate that. So here I'm going to use the chopper to make a Denver omelet. So I have a couple different things. I've got a green pepper right there. There's the green pepper. I'm going to put some tomatoes in there also. And I've got mushrooms. And let's try this onion. It's a big piece. And it took it all in. And there you go. This is going to be a big omelet for a couple of people, but look at that beautiful job it did. They're all the same shape and they're all cut perfectly. Now if I want to clean off these push tabs, I just pull this out like that and then rinse this off and you're all set. Now I'm going to make some breakfast potatoes. So I have some red potatoes and I sliced them down the middle. I put them right on the grate right there. very easily cutting these up. With very little force, in fact. Look at that. They're all evenly cut perfectly. Now I can put them in an air fryer or an oven or in a pan and cook them. So let's say you're going to make an apple pie. This is the perfect size because it'll break down in the pie and be the perfect size for a pie. So I just slice it like that into quarters. That's a big piece right there. And went through perfectly. So you have all the consistent size. By the time that gets reduced down, it's the perfect size for apple pie. And as I demonstrated earlier, showed, you can see that you've got calibration, half cup, 1.5 cups on both sides. So you can see the amount you have. You just level it off like that, and you can actually visually see for measuring for recipes. And there you go. There's my breakfast for two. Got those potatoes, used the chopper in, and the Denver omelet. I had a little cheese in there, but it's all beautiful looking and absolutely delicious. So after testing this product and I showed you how well it works, what's my overall opinion about the Vidalia Chop Wizard Pro Max? I love this product. It's going to save me a lot of time. I demonstrated how well it worked with all the different vegetables and fruit. This is a cool design, very easy to work with, and I think they upgraded it with that pulling piece that allows you to clean it easier. This is a win-win situation. This is an excellent product in my opinion, so I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert the new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thanks for watching.